Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we have come to the RSPB Lodge in Sandy. Well, it's between Sandy and Biggleswade. It's early in the morning and we've just come for a nice walk. You've got the sun rising with the mist, and you've got a squirrel just on the top there. Whee. Yeah, the sun's coming up on a chilly Saturday morning. We're walking along the heath with all the wonderful autumn colours. Still got the moon's out. It's a very, very nice place, isn't it, Millie?
It's pretty. The autumn colours and just quiet, peace. And you see a lot of, what we saw, the mudjack.
Yeah, seen a mudjack, squirrel.
See this bird, what's the name of it?
What?
The robin.
Yeah, robin.
Robin.
Yeah, so it's...
A few rabbits.
Yeah.
Little ones.
So it's called the lodge because in the grounds there is a lodge.
And a big owl.
And yeah, it's a wood carving of an owl.
And a lot of yellow flowers around it in the spring.
Yeah. So yeah, there's a car park here. I think you have to pay to park. There's also a shop, but obviously what's happening.
I think it's a cafe over there. The little hedgehog house and stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, with what's happening with everything, I think the shop's closed and the cafe's closed, but you can still walk around the grounds for exercise and stuff.
Yeah, I'm running right now.
But yeah, we've come in the morning because of all the different colours.
Nice sun, the fog. It's pretty.
Very pretty. And quiet. It's always better when it's quiet. Because I can talk and not whisper when someone goes past.
It's so windy today.
Oh yeah, they'll be able to hear me.
Can't see you still.
No, they can't see me. Got my woolly hat on, so it's probably not.
There it goes. You don't need a hat.
So yeah, look at that. They've got the watery sunshine coming up. Just walk a little bit further showing the video. So yeah, you've got lots of different trails. I think you've got the woodpecker trail. There's lots of different places to go. You can go to the old quarry here. There's also hides that you can watch the wildlife from. But I think they're closed at the moment because you know what's happening with the world. But it's nice that we can still get exercise. Magpie.
Another one.
But yeah, look at it. Opens up here. It's a really, really nice place to come.
We can spend hours of walking around here and still don't see everything.
No.
I've been here a few times, but yeah, I think we still see new things.
Well, the colours, the different times of the year, that makes it look so different.
Special.
So yeah, this is the RSPB Lodge between Sandy and Biggleswade in Bedfordshire. It's a very, very pleasant place to come. So yeah, we're going to carry on walking And if anyone watches this, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.